Alright, so for whatever reason, I don't really feel like doing anything right now. Um, uh, this is obviously where it's at, so now I have to, I'm gonna have to come over here and set it up so that way I can get the log records to get the entries, to get the take profits, to get the stop losses. Um, I just don't want to do it. I just do not want to do it. Uh, but it's got to be done. It's got to be done. It's got to be done. Right now, I'm just trying to get these log records correct. I'm not 100% sure exactly all the things that I need. Yeah, I know that I need the trailing stop loss price, take profit price. I need the stop loss price. Then I would need the average entry. And then I need the order execution price. So I need the average entry, I need price, order price, I guess. Is that what that is? So I get the bar, and then I guess I have to send price bar. So I don't need these. I guess I need order type. I don't need the size. I don't need this. As of right this minute, and obviously later on I'll probably. I'm guessing that I need these things. I don't need the fees. I don't need the equity. I don't need the column. Or do I need the column? I think the column is unique for each and every. I guess it's no different than the ID. But I guess column is probably something that I need. Probably easy to match it up or something like that. So I guess I don't need these. I need the bar. I think this is enough. Anyways, this is just what I'm doing right now. Good lord, for whatever reason, I really just do not want to do this. And I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna have to do the order checker. And I have to deal with all the number bullshit too. Oh man, today is just not the day. Today is not the day. Oh yeah, and I also have to eventually just combine everything into one. Instead of having this process stops and then process order. Yeah. There's a lot that needs to be cleaned up, but I guess the question is like, do I clean all that up now, or do I clean it up when I get the trailing stop loss to work? And the answer is I have to get this I have to get the Plotly thing done because it's going to be an absolute nightmare trying to figure out what's going on with the stop loss if I don't do this. And then I have to do that. And then after that, work on the trailing stop loss. Then after that, I can clean everything up. That's what we're doing. All right, so far, we've only really worked on the process order. So here, um, whoops. Okay. I'm gonna put a here. Right. So, where are we at? So we're creating the log records, which probably needs to be bigger than this. What is this, 100,000? Yeah. Okay. We've got our log count ID, start log. Oh, I moved on. Then we're gonna come. Wait, what? Temporary order records, temporary log records? Oh, okay. So I guess I have to. I guess it would just have to be the total number of possible bars times 2. Temp order records has to be bars. Total bars times 2, right? Isn't that right? It has to be that. Because you have a you have in you at every bar you have a possible entry and a possible exit. So it just has to be total number of bars. It should definitely be more than enough. Well, the order records, no. But the temporary ones, yes. And the reason why I'm only leaving it at that is because there's no way that at every bar you have a buy and a sell, you have an entry and an exit. Um, and then there's also no way that you have some type of strategy where it's like you buy at the first bar, sell at the second bar, buy at the third bar, sell at the whatever. So more than enough. Total bar is more than enough. Total bars is way more than enough. Okay, so this will be this records. Here, it's this. And then inside of here, we've got our logs. We have this. Put this up here. So we have our logs. ABCDFGHJKL M N O. In O. Okay, well. So you have all that. Num log records filled, and num this. Okay, so before we move on from there, go to the process order in B. So we are here. So for our order records, I feel like this needs to being its own thing. So all we're sending is the, okay, these three things. I feel like the order records need to be somewhere by itself. And then this group thing. And then here. Okay. So we've got this. And this might be a problem. Well, it says none. So if log records does not equal none. Wait a minute, that might be a problem. If log count ID, because that's an int. I don't want there to be some type of like array problem where it's like, oh, the array, blah, blah. So here, I'm making it so that way, if it was filled, then if the order was filled, then send all this information. If it was not filled, in order to make it easier on the log records, we'll put all of this as np.nan. So that way, or maybe I can replace it with none. Maybe I can get away with this. Replace it with none. Okay, so that way I can just grab the arrays with the nuns. So here we are. What? All right. Let's do this. Sort. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay. Wonder if having this at the end is going to give me some problems. Because you don't want no problem. Ooh. Sucks that I have to check this twice. Anyways, so this should be okay. So we get to this point, and so now we head back over to here. So we return all this information with the new log order filled or whatever it is. So then we're going to skip all this for now. And let's say we come all the way down to here. And so we have this. We've got our temporary order records. Okay. Now we've filtered it, right? We filtered ourselves. Now here we have, this is where we actually store the real order records from the temp order records. Ooh, wait a minute. Temp order records equals, ooh, I need this. Temp log records. It's temp log records. Number of log records filled. There we go. So we cut off all the excess fat. We come all the way down to here. We need to copy this. End log count. So in theory, this should work. In theory, this should. Oh, well, not yet, because now I have to do this enums. We gotta do that. We got to do that. All right, so we've made it to the debugging phase. I really need to make this thing shorter. I forget how to do that. But yeah, we're here at the debugging phase. It's saying that there's no field name named average entry, even though there is over here. No field name named average entry. Let's see. I think somewhere this is the problem, I think. No? It is not. It is not. I do not need this. That doesn't make any sense. Anyways, that's what we're gonna work on. All right, I just figured out how to get it to word wrap, and but I did the notebook. So compact view. There's supposed to be this scroll thing. Output scrolling. Use scrollable region for notebook output when longer than limit. When longer than limit. Okay, okay. So I need to change it to reset. There you go. So now, what happens if we try to do this? Okay, I guess I have to reload the thing, man. Okay. Here. Output exceeds size limit to open full output in text editor. This is disgusting. I wish there was a sexier thing. Open full. Oh God, so disgusting. What is this in uh output data? Better yes. Mm-hmm. This is disgusting. How are you supposed to read this? How are you supposed to read this? Uh, anyways, still saying no field name average entry. How is that possible when this is here? And the log records. How is that possible when the log records is this data type? Log records. Then we have our temporary log records, which is also this. Debugging time. Oh. Yeah, look, how is this even possible? Right here. What do you mean? It says it right here. AVG entry. And it's a float. And it says here bar is an int. Okay. No sense. So we shall go to the culprit, I guess. Try again. Wait, what? The data type doesn't actually have it. Wait, what? It goes back to the wait, what? Why how does that happen? How the hell does that happen? So you come into here, you create your temporary log. Oh. Hmm? Temp log records. What? What? How? Wait, what? Log records equals temp log records. And you come into here. Log records. Okay. All All right, sir. All right, sir. Are you happy? Are you happy that you got what you needed? Jesus Christ, you stupid computer. You should already just know what I need. Idiot. Stupid computer. So, oh, these are the order records. Log records. Go ahead. Let's see what's going on with this. Wait, what? Wait, what? What's going on here? Oh, I can scroll. Okay, okay. That's annoying. I guess that is annoying. So. I don't want to do that. Average entry, bar, column, ID log, order ID. Wait. Anyways. I need to reorganize these things. So we would say that so let's say that the bar comes first, then the column, then the order ID, then the log ID. Wait, what the hell is this? You have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Why is it skipping like that? 0, 2, 4. Then here you have a bunch of zeros. Oh, the order type is supposed to be long. Right, okay, there is a lot of shit here that I do not need. Let's go ahead and this pd.data. Okay. Got our bar, column, ID order, ID log. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. How is that possible? What is this? How does it go from 0 to this? So here it's like, if the order is filled, then do this. And then if this is filled, then you just send it. And then you return it. But if it was not filled, then you put none. This is the part that doesn't make any sense to me. How do you go from 0 to 10,000? Bar 33, 34, 35, 36. This should have six. This should have like 6,000 bars. Debugging time. I'm also realizing that maybe I might not be able to get away with just doing the orders. I might have to add it into the process of stops. Because I don't know what I'm doing. So one thing I'm seeing here is that we're not ever able to make it to this part, this else. So if order status is filled, how are we not able to make it to I don't understand how that's possible. How is that possible? How is it possible that we do not make it to the other side? If order status equals filled, if it does not equal this, then it has to go here. But there's no way. How's that possible? Because the long increase, because there's tons of these. Look, there's tons of these things that are not filled. All of these bars that are not filled. Where the hell are those things at? Order status is 0. Order status is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. How is the order status always 0? Look at the bar. How is the order status always 0? Look at this bar. We got filled like 50 million times. And then we skipped a whole shitload of bars. How is the order status always 0? Ignored. I don't even need this order not filled thing. I just return this information. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. I don't even need this. How? How are all these orders being filled? What? Why are all these orders being filled? This makes no sense. Won't risk amount. You're telling me my equity is $68,000 and I started with 1,000? Okay, we have a problem. So if it's not NaN, it's this. Yes. For now, we would have to say low, which is T dot array. Ah, fuck. Low based on oh, we wouldn't even get here, so I guess I need to set default values for these things. Well, that's what this is for. And I did not do that, so we have to just do that here. Times dot size. I think that should work. All right, so somehow we are still but how is that possible? Because we're only taking 3 here, then we get out. The order type is 0. Maybe this is... Well, the order type is always going to be 0 because it's a long entry. But the only problem is that it's always I'm never running across a situation where we are not filled. It doesn't make any sense. How are we always getting filled? Equity is 1,000. Holy shit! My equity goes up to 10,000. Anyways, so I'm realizing that the error obviously has to be in the check the stop loss thing. It's clearly not in uh the process, the order, because that has nothing to do with the equity. So inside of here, there has to be some type of problem. Which doesn't really make any sense. So let's start it over. What? Okay, so it's not here. So there's... So our size value is not nan. So there's something inside of here that's fucked up. But how could it be messed up? But how? Where's the equity? Where does the equity go nuts? Oh, new equity. I need to watch new equity. All right, well, we passed it up. How do you restart? Okay, we're here. Our new equity. Our realized P&L is huge. Why is our realized P&L huge? Our position is massive. Our size value is infinite. If size value, our position, how is our position $10,000? Where do we even get our position from? What the fuck is going on? What is this? How is our position $10,000? Wait, what? Position? How do we have a... Wait, I guess that does make sense. I guess that makes sense when you... Well, no, how is that possible? How does any of this make any sense? My new size value is 320. Okay. Wait, what just happened? What just happened here? So my new position here is fine. Okay, we're fine. So now we need to go here. And then we also need to go here. And we also need to... All right, so somehow our position has gone from... How is that real? How does that happen? Wait, what? Where does that happen though? How does I go from check process order in B? New position is 320. All right, so we don't have any crazy things going on here. How do I come out of this situation with a gigantic position size? This makes no sense. How? How is that possible? Where is it even getting this number from? I return here, and now I'm in a position of 10,260. How do I get out of this? And it just changes. How is that possible? Oh, no, wait. It's gotta be between this. So we're here. Here? What? How is this possible? What? It has to be in here. What? But how? Wait, what? So we get to the very end of this long increase. New position is 320. We get to the very end. We come out here. Oh, okay. I think I know what's happening. There's some type of order is messed up here as far as the return goes. I wonder if you can return with an equal sign. Can you do that? Yeah, there has to be. So process order in B is returning in the order of. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. So I switched all this up here. Okay, I remember that. There's gotta be a way. Stop loss to B. Can you do this? I wonder if I could. I wonder if I could. Let's try this. Because obviously for here you can set the equal sign. So I want to do the same thing, except the weird part here is like I guess I would have to do return and then new available balance equals available balance here. I wonder if I could do that. I gotta check to see. So I guess you can't do this. I guess you just have to know what the order is. Yes. So now this is a little bit scary because I know that I reorganized some other stuff too as well, I think. So we could be dealing with some very big problems here. So let's go through and check to see. Order checker is fine still. So after I do that, we go to long increase. So long increase, available balance cash. Wait, what? Oh. Yeah, so available balance, average entry, new cash borrowed, liquidation, order status, position. Okay. So that looks fine. Hmm. So now we have to go to check stop loss. And I am returning it in price, size, order type. Oh, you know what I should do? Instead of saying, okay. So you see how it says price, order result, size, value, order result? What I need to do is instead of saying new available balance, I need to say available balance new, cash borrowed new. So that way I can just put everything in an order. Okay, got it, 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 got it. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. So now we gotta go through and change all that shit. Let's see, new. So let's, yeah, so we'll go through and do that. All right, so I went through and changed all of the news. Let's see if we have anything with old. There's nothing with old, so everything should be good here. With having new at the very end. Therefore, I should be able to... Now I have to go through and... make sure everything is in the correct order when we're returning. So this... So this needs to be sorted. And that's also good for having this equal sign here, so that way I can just keep sorting. And then that means process order in B needs to be sorted. Oh boy. This also needs to be sorted. Let's just make sure that this works. Available balance, average entry, cash borrowed, leverage, new liquidation price, log, move, num orders. Yes, it works. It works, 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 it works. So now inside the process order in B, we need to come up to here. And look at this. So long increase. This looks like it's already in order. So we need to go over to the long increase. All the way down here. This looks like it's in order as well already. New balance, cash use, leverage. Order status, position, stop loss percent, all that stuff. Okay. Then the order not filled. I don't need this. I do not need this. Wait, what? So we just delete all this. And then we put like this. I think I probably can't have that at the end. Yeah, so that's all I do is I just return this. Um, uh, okay, so that's in order. So that means that I have to go back over here. Oh, but that's fine. Because that's inside of the process order. So that's inside of this, so we're returning that. And then here, let's go ahead and just do the same thing for everything. So that means that A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P. So leverage new, price new, size value new. Okay. Oh man. Everything seems to be returning in the order that it should return in. Okay? So now, let's see how bad it gets. Temp price referred before assignment. Leverage and new. Temp price. How is that possible? What? If leverage mode least free cash used. Wait, what? 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 This is not nan, so this. What? What? New average entry. Wait, what? What? How did this happen? Price is nan. Why is the price nan? So somehow long increase, we are sending a nan price. Okay. Wait, what just happened? We're here. Order checker. So price new is nan. Price new is nan. How the hell is it nan? Price. I feel like I need to search price equals. Wait, what? When the hell does price... Price is not nan here. Wait, what? How am I returning a nan price? Oh, that's why. Change up the order again. We are changing up the order again, like always. All right. Sounds good. Sounds good. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, nan. 35, 33, 34, 35, 30. Order price, average entry, order price. Okay. Stop loss price changes, okay. All right. Okay, things are looking actually correct. Oh boy. I need to take a break a little bit. What's interesting here is we have these nan values showing up instead of none. I guess nan shows up as none. Let's see what happens if I do this. I don't know what that did. Oh yeah, that's not going to do anything because anyways, I think what I'm going to try to do is finish up the log with the process stops. What did I just do? So I guess the process stops is going to need the stop loss price. Oh boy. Well, let's see. Anyways, we'll figure this out. All right, I went through and changed a bunch of stuff, so now it's time to deal with this. Come on. Deal with all of the shit that's gonna come along with this. What the hell is this? Execute functions.py. Process stops. This. Oh. There we go. Let's try again. We probably fucked up so much. What did it say? Expected 14? Got 6. Expected 14, got 6. Processing the stops? Am I really returning 16? No, I'm not. I'm missing a comma thing. Okay, so let's try again. What is it saying? Order records, temp order records filled. Only integers. Only integers. It says 3. I don't understand why I have to return order records filled. Why is it 0? Order records filled. What? This one is 3. We're on bar 281. Now we're on bar 436. Available balance is 9999999. 436. Why is this being... Anyways, the part that I'm still confused by is why do I not have to return the order records? But I do have to return this. I don't understand. So what I'm outputting for the process order in B is working. So I guess we have to make sure that this is the same. Which average entry, cash borrow, cash used, leverage new, liquidation, okay, order status, position new, stop loss prices, all that stuff. So that's good. Order checker. That's fine. So now I guess we gotta check with the stops here. Stops. I guess this is still fine. Why is it still like this? This makes no sense. Log count ID plus equals 1. Log count ID equals log count. So we have that here. We have the same thing that's up here. Same exact thing. Okay, this thing is completely out of order. And this thing is out of order as well. And this is in order, I think. So, let's go ahead and put this in order. Okay. And then let's go to the thing. Go to the end here. Put this in some type of order. So this matches up. Wait, what? This matches. I guess this should work. So that is returning in the correct order. So now we have to go down here. Man, why the fuck is this thing still doing this? Let's see if this is in order. And now we will check to make sure that this. No, they are completely out of order. So now, oh yeah. So there's that. Log ID is 3, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Why is this at 1? So I'm guessing this means there's no trade. There's nothing. I guess there's nothing that happened here. So the average entry stayed the same. The order price. Wait, what happened? This was supposed to be a take profit. Where are my take profits? What? Where are my take profitos? Where are my take profitos? So it should be this, take profit. Then there should be another take profit here. There should be another take profit here, I'm assuming. Shouldn't I have a log? Oh no, not of every single bar. So I should only have a log record of entries only. I should only have a log record of when we are in a position. Which is going to be very awkward trying to line it up with the Plotly thing, because unless I do this frames and then I append here and then I do another for loop. So if I did a separate for loop for each one of these things, but then I wouldn't be able to. I have to extend the length of these. Oh, fucking Christ, man. Well, first we just got to get this thing printing correctly. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Why is it like this? Why does it start at 310? How are we on bar 33? Oh, we're on column 4. This is process stops. true? Stop loss prices is true? Uh-oh. Process stops in B. Stop loss prices order result. How is that true? How is this true? Oh. Oh. Well, this is completely out of order. That's why. Oh. I guess over here we still have it set up the old way. Okay. So let's go ahead and fix that. Or do we? Yes, we do have it fucked up. So we have to organize this. Yeah, dealing with tuples is going to be so much easier. Dealing with tuples will be so nice. Dealing with tuples will be so nice. So nice. Man, I am so glad I know how to debug. I am so glad I am not Bob. That is gotta be the worst life in the entire universe. You don't. Oh my god, that's gotta be terrible. I still don't understand where my take profits are at. Also, I'm realizing that I need to put my average entry next to my stop loss prices. Where the hell are my take profits? Where are my getting stopped out? How is this not here? How is it not here? If the order was filled, how is this not a thing? How is this not a thing? Fuck. I think I need to remove these filters for now. Alright. So that way I can All right, so something weird is happening because we're filling the log record with filling the log record. But it's not. What? How is this? So when we get to this point, it's filled. We can see that right here. 278,034. 034. 3, 4. Wait, what? Bar 278. What? Oh, is that where we actually take the profit? What the hell's going on here? 278. I don't understand. We have 000. 36 is nan. Then we have these nan values. So what am I trying to do? I guess in theory this should be doing it to where if the order is filled, then we do this. If it's not, if it's not filled, then we should be doing this. Oh yeah, but it's not. Oh man. Oh, so I guess what's happening here. This is starting to make a little bit of sense. So I guess what's happening here is that there was 4 trues, and on the 4th true, we did not fill the log record. Then on this right here, this is where we took profit. I think that's what 4 is. But now the problem is that we are not changing, we are not getting the updates of the stop loss, which is what we want. What? So we would need to be able to send some type of signal from here. Moved stop loss to break even. I think we need to send this to the So if I think we need to send this to here. Moved A B C D F G H I J K L. Oops. Moved. Stop loss to break even. Stop loss to break even for a result. So we need this A B C D F G H I J K L M. Stop loss to break. That's the Boolean. And so what so if the order was filled. Oh no, wait. Can we actually I think here we need to actually send the log records inside of here. What is this? Move stop loss to break even. Okay. I think we need to actually go into here and right before this we call the this. We say this, and then if we say if move stop loss to break even, then do this. Right? I think that's what we can do here. And then we'd have to this. Right? And then we'd also have to do this up here. Wait, why is it like that? I guess we'd have to do this. Then that means that we would need to do this. That means that we would also have to return A B C D F G H I J K L. So I guess we'd have to do this. Still don't fully understand. I still don't fully understand why I have to send this information back. I don't have to send back the order. Maybe I don't. But okay. And then I also think for now, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R. That's is I want to send the realized P&L just so that way it's a lot easier. All right. Okay. I need to return something here. I need to return this. And then I need to go over to this. And A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Do I have that here? I am not sending the realized P&L. Wait. That's a lie. I don't need that here. I just need it here. And it works. Okay. So this... Okay. So... and these are for the order, so because you can't have a realized P&L for the order. So then now we have to go over to here. And at the very end, real L. This will be L. And that will go here as a float. And that means that over here, we have to do these. So let the errors begin. Bar is not defined. Bar is not defined. How is that possible? Where are we even at? This is check stop loss? Oh. Bar equal bar int. Oh boy. Column int. Do I have everything else? I need another. So I need bar, column, average entry, log count ID, log records, log records filled. What? Oh, okay. I don't need to. I don't know. Okay. Ah, fuck. I need the order count ID. Order count ID. I think all of these are going to need to be down here with this optional. All of these are going to need to be optional. So we have add bar, column, log count ID, log records, order count, order type equals type, price equals, we do not have the price. Okay. ABCDFG HTTP element OP price. But this is also optional. But now the problem is that if I have one of these, then I have to have all of them in order to make this work. And if I forget one, then I'm going to be fucked. So I'm going to have to create like a record logs equals none. How do you check if something is a none variable? So I think I'd have to do like this, and I'd have to make sure that all of these things do not equal none. If that's true, then else I have to return an error. And to say like else raise you forgot something to run logs in stop loss checker. Okay. So I feel like order records record logs equals this does not equal none, and 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 this does not equal none. So all right, so we need average entry, bar, column, log count ID, ABCDFGHJKL MNO P. We need the price. We need the realized P&L, which we already will get that. Do we get that? No, we don't. So realized P&L. These are not ints. The stop loss price. So we already have that. We already have stop loss prices. We already have all of the stop loss prices, trailing stop loss prices. We have that. Okay. So this is an int, this is an int, this is an int. Log records, this an int, float, float. I don't think I actually need realize P&L. Because that's automatically going to be none. So I don't need that. So here we have... Alright, so what do we need? What do we need? What the fuck did I just do? Oh, I'm doing the check. Check. Alright. So we need bar. We need call. We need this. We need this. We need this. We need this. And we need this. Do we actually even need all that shit? Whatever. Well, this information is never going to be none. Well, I don't have to send it. I don't have to send it. Well, bar is never going to be none, so I have to send... No, I don't. Oh, so this... I guess this would just be for me. So if I'm running this... And I'm down here, and I wanted to check... I wanted to... so this... This, only needed if checking stop loss. Stops movement. So this whole section right here, we'll say bar equals bar, column equals column. Log count ID is that. Order count ID equals order count ID. Is this right? Yes. Where are we at? And then here we have price equals price. This doesn't seem right. This price thing doesn't seem right. Price order result. No. Wait a minute. Here, if, wait a minute. So if this is true, fuck. So now the problem is that I don't want this to be true every single time, because if it's moved the stop loss, if we move the stop loss to break even, and then for like 50 candles it's staying there, well then this means that it's going to be true, and we're going to record 50 of these things, which is, I don't want to do that. I just want to record it once. And so I think what I would need to do is something like this: record log moved breaking, something like this. That equals true, and then else it's going to equal false. So that means that moved stop loss to break even. True. Moved record moved stop loss to. I think because for the trailing stop loss, every time it moves, it's going to need something else too. It's going to say record log moved trailing stop loss. So here, if record logs, and then if record logs. So if this is true, wait, we don't need the price. Wait, what? The price gets created for us, so we don't need price. Wait. Yeah, we don't need price because the price is going to... Price is going to be whatever it's going to be. So we'll just say this. And then price is going to be this. If we don't actually change, the price is going to be nan. So this has to be does not equal np.nan. Price and np dot is nan. Shouldn't this be not? So if the price is nan, this is true. So if this is none, this is false. If this, so it's not. Oh yeah, it's not. Then do we do price? No. Why would we do? The price. We don't need the price. Okay, whatever. We don't need the price. I don't think. Anyways, why do we have a red thing? What? Why can't I do this? Expected expressions? What? Oh. Can you do that? Bar does not equal this, and column does not equal this, and what? Oh, that's why. Name price is not defined. Oh, okay. I don't need this. Right? I don't need this. So I think what I could do is do this and this. That way, oh, whoops. Couldn't I just do this? So record logs is all of this is not none, and this is true. Wait. So every time this is false, I'm going to get this message here, which is not the way I want it to be. Oh, I see what happened. Okay, so I actually do need to separate these. If record logs is false, I don't want that every single time, though. Oh, I know what I need. I know what I need to do. So what I need to do is say if want to record stops log. If that is true, then you check this, and then if I feel like this needs to be first. Because if this is false, so let's say we want this. Because if this is false, there's no need to check anything else. And then here, what is this? This. Then we'll say record logs. So has the thing actually even moved? Yes, it has. Do we want to record? Well, actually, this is probably should be switched. So do we want to record the logs? No. Move on. Because most of the time we're not going to want to. If we do want to record them, has it even moved? Yes or no? If it has moved, do you have all the right information? If we don't, then we have to raise this, you forgot something. Else, we're going to fill the log. Wait, do we even need this? Why do I even need that? Oh, yeah, I do need that. Okay. So this should work, but it's not going to work, as always. ABCDFGH element no P. So this needs to be. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. ABCDFGH element no P. Regular params. Stop losses. Then we need to send that to this. Why do I need this? I don't need this. I am producing that. Wait. No, I need that. Right? So then from here, we go here. From here, we go here to this. Is this optional? No. Okay, I think it's all... So I think I need another column that's right here that says like moved stop loss price. Moved to break even in the log. Good lord. So hot. So that way I can see, did we actually move it? Well, I guess this order price being nan. What if the order type was moved stop loss to break even? Because that is an order. Ah, okay, let's do that. Order type. Move. So here we have created this move stop loss to break even. So I guess that means that we go over to here and the order type is going to be order type dot move stop loss to break even. So let's see how that works. Hey! So the order price was this. The order price was this. We took profit. Wait, what? How is the order price? Wait, what? How is the order price? If we move the stop loss to break even here. Oh. Oh, this is okay, so this is almost zero. Why is the realized P&L the pandas oh man. Pandas float format. Here. There we go. We lost negative $0. Let's do alright. There we go. 11, 11, 11. Damn, we made $60. Damn, it's working. Good. Alright, so now we have these. Now I have to figure out. Ugh. I guess it would be better instead of sending the entire log records to send a chunk of the log records, which is just like column 0, and then from there you expand it to meet the entire I don't know. I'm thinking, okay, if all I want to do is check this section right here, then all I would have to do is say I want it to be bar 33 to 36, and then my function would grab this column thing, and then it would also grab this little section right here and add 5 bars, subtract 5 bars, and then add 5 bars. And then fill in the gaps if there's any bars in between. Like from here to here, actually, I would need. So I would need from bar 33 all the way to bar 183. And then I just do like +1, -1. In order to see what happened. No, actually, I would need all the way up till 278. Because I just moved my take profit. I moved my stop loss to break even here. Okay. Yeah. Congratulations. Damn, I lost no money and then I still made the 60. Wait, what? Oh, I made 60. Okay, we had entry. Move your stop loss to break even. Protect ourselves. Damn. So let's see what happens here. DF. Whoops. DF array. Win rate. 86% win rate? No, something is wrong here. How do you have a 78% win rate? %87 win rate with this? With gains of this? That's impossible. Clearly something is wrong. Also, these things need to be multiplied by 100. Alright, what the fuck is wrong with this? I need to take a break. How is this so wrong? The win rate. Oh. That's because I have my count as non-zero. So it's literally only counting the wins, the losses, and it's not including the stop losses. Move to break even. Makes sense. Yet. NP count win loss. Where this wait a minute. This might actually be accurate. This might actually be accurate because I have all of the times that we move our stop loss to break even. So I need to actually change this to win-loss. If I lose, what is this? Win-loss, where we are less than 0. So I think this needs to be like less than 0.001. Or no, wait. Negative. Negative 10 cents. Negative 0.005 cents. 0.5. So it'd be like 0.000. So this is 5 cents here. We're at 5 cents. We're at a fifth of a cent. There we go. Like this. So if we are less than this, wait a minute. Yeah, because this number is closer to 0 than this number. Okay, so that makes sense. So I wonder what happens if we do this. Because then that's going to count But it's not our win. That's not even a win rate. That's going to throw everything off. Oh, how do I deal with this? How do I deal with this? Win-loss? Ah, fuck. If I move the stop loss to break even, oh boy. Well, that's one of the things that I got to think about. I guess I'd have no choice but to make another column that is marked as break even and exclude break evens. Yeah, I'm gonna have to exclude break evens from win losses. Because it's as if I didn't even get in the trade. If I get stopped out at break even, it's as if I didn't even get in the trade. So I had a total of 83 trades, but a win rate of whatever because I got stopped out. So that does count as a trade. It's just I got stopped out at break even, so it doesn't count towards the win rate. Because it's not a win and it's not a loss. It's a tie. It's a draw. Uh, what if I did what if I did win loss is between something like is greater than 0.001. Where the win-loss is greater than this number, but less than this number. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. This is not going to work. I just have to completely remove those. I'm going to have to figure out a way to just I'm going to have to do that up here. Win-loss is temporary records. This is nan. So I remove all those is nans. Then I have to do... I have to create another filter up here. Point 001 loss. Something like this. What is this math right here? So if win-loss is less than this, and win-loss is less and greater than this, because this is greater than this. I think it's something like this. If win-loss is greater than this, yeah, because the closer you get here, the bigger the number is, and the further you get away from here, the smaller the number. So does that work? Can you do this? Point 0.00101 is greater than or equal to the is less than that and greater than or equal to wait, what? Temp order records? Oh, I don't even need to do that because I'm grabbing this. I'm doing this. Let's see. This should work. It's definitely not going to work. Definitely not going to work. So we've got inside of this. Where is my WL? We've got a bunch of zeros. So how did I do this though? And then we did not nan of this. How do I do like 9WL? This is just true, true, false, whatever. So what is this saying? Why can't I do this? I can do this. Wait, what happens? So if I do this, so now we cut it down to 72. So then I guess I have to save it again. Well, wait a minute. Why is this like this? Wait. Why are there so many zeros? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait, what? Why are there no NaN values? So how do I just get rid of all of the zero values? Why are there even NaN values to begin with? Did I set realized P&L to be 0? Anyways, all I know is I need to get rid of the zeros. So I need to say there we go. Ah, fuck. Uh, we'll do it afterwards. Filter out all break-even trades. What? What? Oh. A 0% win rate? I had 5 trades and I lost all of them? Wait, what? Why did that change all of a sudden? Oh, the WL size is the total trades. That's not true. WL. No. Break even. So we have this WL here. Here. To the upside calculation, I think it's this and this. Yeah, I think that's fine now. Yeah, there we go. Oh, maybe we need to keep track of how many total break-even trades there were. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. God damn it, I keep saying that way. I need to go take a break. How do I do that? How do I keep track of the total number of break-even trades? Total break-even. Total break-even. What the hell? Where's my order records? Where's my, Oh, ready for DT, that's where it's... Total trades, total... Should be an int. Total break even, how do I get that? This? I think it's just this. So I would just come down here and just do this. So win-loss, where win-loss equals 0. Oh, come on. Setting an array element with a sequence. That's true. That is a true statement, sir. Oh, dot size. There we go. Damn! 61 break-even trades? Holy shit. 50% win rate? Oh my god. Oh, stop loss percent, max equity risk percent. Is the gains percent? It's times 100. I guess now I'm gonna run into the problem of if I don't do this, what happens? Wait. How is that true? That's impossible. How do I have all these zeros? How is this? Where? Why do I have realized P&L as 0? Alright, so now let's try this again. Total of 8 trades. We had a bunch of nans. Well, where are all my break-even trades at? What? What happened to all my break-even trades? Oh. Well, wait, what? Wait, so where is this at? This is in... This is the process order. There is no realized P&L, so that makes sense. You get rid of that. This, order everything. Okay, whatever the hell this is. This is going to be nan. This is going to be nan. Process stops. So I should have... How is this not happening? Order status info. Is that right? Oh, wow. Okay, so this blank is more important than this. How is it possible that we have basically no zeros here? Oh, wait a minute. We're not logging. Wait, what? I guess we are logging it. How do I have none of these ending as break even? None of these? Oh, well, that's because I never moved. I turned it off. Ah, there we go. Okay. That makes a lot more sense. Okay, so now let's check this out first. So let's see what this is looking like here. So we have some nans, we got some zeros, we got some nans, we got some zeros, okay. And then we remove all the nans. Then we have some zeros. Then we remove the zeros. And all we are left with is... So we had this, that's 22. This... Wait, what is this? So we have the OG, which is 83. Then we bump it down to 29. Then we bump it down to 22. Bam! That's crazy. This is crazy. Why is total trades a float? Anyways. I guess it's break time now. Well, let's turn this back on and see what happens. Wait a minute. Nobody gained more than 20%. Well, this person did. Let's say 15. Oh, but there's nothing with more than 40 trades. Wait. Wait, this had 40 trades? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. What's happening here? Wait, what just happened? Okay, so these did better than 15%. I find it weird that this one didn't show up. Wait, why do none of them show up when I do 20? Oh, they do show up. But none of them have over 40 trades. That's why. Let's see what happens to the gains. 20, 21. Oh, maybe that's what happens. Wow, you actually get more. You get more money if you. So you have. Wait, what? 50? Wow. Oh, so okay. So maybe I need to start moving my stop loss less. Oh, maybe it needs to be 2%. Ah. That's interesting. I can't wait to be able to Cartesian test that shit. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. If you're very protective, you don't make that much money. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Wow, wow, wow. That's crazy. So I don't think that I actually need to return any of these. But the other problem is that when looking at this, if I'm going to be using the x as the index, I mean, the easiest way to do this would just to be to return every single thing here. But I don't know how to fill in the gaps. So we go from 33 to 436. And so I'd have to do a for loop and just fill all of this stuff in. But I swear there was a way to do it. Um, there's some way that I can map the x. I could do something to where I can map the x value with this. I think there's a way. So I have to feed it open, high, low, close. And then I have to map 33, because that's the bar. So I have to map 33 to index 33. Anyways, I just need to think about this. Because here we have it, right? We have open 0. So if we do 33, it's this. And then if we did entries 33. Entries, so the column 2. Shit. I would need to send the be like column 2. How does this even look? What does this even look like?
Bro, that's such a shit draft. I shan't be keen that this is the draft. I hate it. Actually, I really, really hate it.
Two? Two? How do I do this? So give me all the rows for column 2. Why can't I do this? So that's row 2. So I would need row 33 from column. It's true. But there is no column 34. There's only 4 columns. But I don't even really need any of that. Because I just need the first. Honestly, I could even just don't even have any filters. And then just grab the first one. Well, wait a minute. This is column 2. Indicator settings 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Man. This is all so impossible. What if I just did it like this? Oh, I can't do that. DF array order records. I just did this, this, and this. Indicator settings is 2. So 0, 1, 2. So that'd be the third column. So it'd be like this. That's not true. I don't even need the entries. What am I doing? Because I have the order price. So I just need the bar because I have the order price. So if we're looking at this, we would need it to be X is the, okay, so we'd get the index, and we'd get this as the index, right? But how do we map? Oh, I'd have to create a for loop. I'd have to create a list. So I would have to come over here and I'd have to say for, oh boy, how do I enumerate this? For I in range, and then I would say 33 minus 2 all the way up to this one. All the way up to this plus 3. Right? Um, I'll say if stop loss price wait a minute, that makes no sense. I would have to say if log records, how do I do this? Log records are one, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. So we want to go up to 7. So what we want to do is grab the index for this. I don't know. Okay, so I've been able to do this. I don't really want to put this number here. I want to kind of just do like something like that. And just say if log records order real P&L I does not equal np.nan is nan. So if this is nan, then do this thing. Else break. Shit. If it's not nan, ooh, how do I get that last one? I can do it like this. Then you break. Yeah, so you grab the last one and then you break it. Okay. So now what does that mean? And then we'll say x index. Call this what am I even grabbing here? What do I want to grab? Order price. And we'll say here entries dot. Oh, couldn't I just do all of them? I could do entries. I could do stop loss. Stop loss. I could do take profit. Could I do that? Stop loss. I feel like this would be order price. And this would be, oh, the average entry. Order price. I would say average entry. So that would be this. And then take profit price. Then we'd have the stop loss price. This would be take profit price. This. We would do this. Right. Just do this. This. And we'll do this. This. But we have to, I have to do another if statement. So order price equals nan. Does it, I wonder if that does nan values. So I have this thing. So here I have none. So what if I did NP dot? And it's just as good. So, what? So nan is fine. Okay, so I have to say the average entry. Oh shit, this is where I'd have to store. If the average entry repeats, then turn it to nan. Hmm. Annoying, but it would make everything look so much clearer. Anyways, I'll figure this all out. All right, I think I figured it out. So here we have to create these temporary average entries and stuff. So we do for range. We check to see if the temporary average entry does not equal this. If it doesn't, then we change it. Then if it does equal it, then we set it as np.nan. Same thing for the stop loss, same thing for the take profit. Then here we check to see if this is nan. Okay. Then if it is, then we do this. Then we set this back to this. Then we get to the very top, and now we check to see if. Because I was thinking I could, instead of doing this, I could just do this, but then I would have to include this into every single one of these. Else, I'd have to include this here, and I'd have to include it here. Anyways, it works, so. So this gives me what I need. We have this, this, this. We have no repeating numbers. This. Shh. We have this, this, this. We have this, this, this. We have our stop loss has moved. And now we have our take profit, which has not moved. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we hit our take profit. Uh, so I guess at the end of this, we also have to say if if uh if I guess we'd have to do an elif is greater than 0. Then we do this. And then we say break. Records is less than 0, then we do and then we do this. So that way, if we're checking to see if we got stopped out or not. So if our realized P&L is positive, then that means that we took profit. So that way this will show up on the thing. Wow, wow, wow. I gotta take a piss. Oh man, I didn't even start the timer for the 10 minutes. Anyways, I think I'm gonna leave it there for now. And then so this will allow me to take any section of the log records that I want. If I'm looking at this and I'm like, oh, I want. So here I'd have to just grab a chunk of whatever it is that I want. So I'd have to say log record, something like this. Give me rows 5. I want to see what's up with this section right here. So give me 5 through 10. And so I would send that into this function, and it would just grab the information for that specific. Oh, wait a minute. I could just do dot size. I don't have to do this break thing. I can just do size. I can just do the size of yeah, so I could just do the size, and then here it would just be the size of whatever, because in the function, well, we might as well just do that really quickly. Thing, and we need to send it log records. So we will print this log. Let's hit this. Holy shit, what happened? Oh, I see what happened. So we have this, 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 this. So we ended up taking profit here. Oops. So we could look at this and say 50. All right, so I want to check this one, but we don't even have any 11s here. We got, oh, this would be nice. So we'll say 14 through 19. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. This would be 14 through 19. And then we do log records dot size. Right? Because that's just going to be 0. That would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would do 4, yeah. So 19. It should do it. Oh, this is so annoying the way this is. We had 1, 2, 3. We move the stop loss, we take profit. 1, 2, 3, move stop loss, take profit. So here we have 1, 2, 3, move stop loss, take profit. Why is this thing not working? Fourteen through 19. I don't want 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, stop. Oh, I'll say greater than or equal to 0. So stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Wait, why is this order? Why do we have a price here? Oh, the price is the... Okay, so we need to... Order price is going to be... That's... We do not need an order price. Boom, bam. Looking sexy. Realize that this could actually be a number function because these can be arrays, and then I could just create empty arrays with this size, and then fill all that. Instead of append, it'll just be index x dot index of I, and then fill it. But I mean, this takes nanoseconds. Well, actually, no. There's no need, because at the end of the day, I'm doing this to return this. And so clearly this is not a number function. And so, yeah, there's no need to throw it into number or numpy. I mean, it's fast enough. I'm only dealing with like barely any code at all, so this is fine. This is fine.